Samsung has just announced today a special edition tablet for kids, the Galaxy Tab A Plus Kit. Basically, it is like a Galaxy Tab A Plus, which is an entry-level tablet but a kid's edition, with a special case and even a small stylus so they can draw and do similar activities. In this case, it is available in blue, red, and yellow colors, with a thick case to prevent any kind of impact. Additionally, this case includes a small tab that you can use as a stand, and its processor is considerably good. We are talking about the Snapdragon 695, a processor that also has capabilities to connect to 5G networks. Although this tablet for kids only comes in a Wi-Fi edition, it features an 11-inch screen with LCD technology. Its resolution is 1920 x 1200 pixels, so at least in terms of detail, it does not disappoint. It comes with an 8-megapixel camera on the back, a 5-megapixel camera on the front, has a thickness of 6.9 millimeters without considering the case, and weighs 480 g. The battery is 7,040 mAh and supports 15-watt charging. But obviously, being a tablet focused on children, the main feature is that it integrates Samsung Kids. Since it is a children's tablet, it includes Samsung Kids, which is one of its main attractive points. Parents can select which applications will be available, and they can also set parental control limits such as usage times, a bedtime schedule, and similar settings. In this case, it has been presented in the USA in an edition with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage at a price of $270.